Welcome to today's video discussing the latest news from Eli Lilly and their halt of development of their Alzheimer's treatment candidate, Solanezumab. We will also discuss the studies conducted, what other developments the company is focused on, and further news related to treatments of the disease. Eli Lilly is a leading biopharmaceutical company specialized mainly in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. However, today the company has announced the halt of development of their treatment candidate, Solanezumab. The study conducted with the antibody failed to slow the progression of the disease. The study included more than 1,000 seniors with normal memory and thinking function but showed signs of brain plaque which is associated with Alzheimer's. The antibody, Solanezumab, was designed to target the plaque in the brain. Unfortunately, the antibody had no effect on the accumulation of the plaque, or the cognitive decline in the participants that were given the treatment. This begs the question if more aggressive treatments should be undertaken before the cognitive decline has begun. In light of this setback, Eli Lilly's attention is now shifting onto two other late-stage clinical trials they are conducting. Donanemab and retimnetug are two antibodies that Eli Lilly is developing that target plaque that is already deposited in the brain, with the hopes to treat people who are in the early stages of the disease. The FDA rejected Eli Lilly's request for expedited approval of Donanemab in January due to the lack of data from patients who received the treatment for 12 months. However, the company is expecting to publish clinical trial data on Donanemab in the second quarter of 2021, and have requested the Food and Drug Administration to approve the treatment if the data is positive. In comparison, in January the FDA gave expedited approval to Leqembi, an early Alzheimer's treatment developed by Eisai and Biogen. They expect the agency to make a decision on full approval in July. It is important to note, however, that Medicare will only offer coverage of Alzheimer's antibody drugs that have received expedited approval. In conclusion, treatments of Alzheimer's is ever evolving, and what is needed is continued research and development of potential drugs and therapies. We will have to keep an eye out for further announcements of Eli Lilly, but also of other companies in the industry. It is an important fight to treat the disease, which affects millions of people around the world.